Buckle up, folks, because this courtroom isn't just about justice. It's about raw emotion, second chances, and some seriously high stakes. We've got Tanya Ortega facing aggravated robbery charges, potential life sentences, and a stack of probation violations that could send her straight back behind bars. But here's the twist. There's family drama, financial struggles, and a plea deal on the table. And trust me, this judge does not play around. Will Tanya walk free? Or will today mark the end of her second chance? Let's break it all down, because what's about to happen will leave you questioning everything.
Admonition. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of aggravated robbery? It's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine, affirmative finding of deadly weapon. State recommends deferred. There's to be restitution, if any, to Michelle, Michelle Young. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your
When
Honor.
you're outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, and no contact with Michelle Young. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Right here is where things get serious. The judge lays it out: plain aggravated robbery, a deadly weapon, and community supervision terms stacked with conditions: 200 hours of service, restitution, no contact with victims, and 8 years deferred adjudication. That's no slap on the wrist. The defense says she's turning her life around: college degrees, parenting classes, the works, but the court isn't here for excuses. What do you think, viewers? Is this justice balancing punishment with second chances? Or a ticking time bomb waiting to go off?
Nations.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with office attachment.
No objection.
Proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So what started this argument? What's the argument about?
So this lady was upset with me because I was assaulted by her boyfriend. He hit me with a gun from behind and called in this aggravated robbery. Said that I held a gun, took her phone and her makeup.
Okay. And I see what the witnesses are saying as well. So what is up with the tattoos, the writing over the eyes? Whose name is that?
I have 2 kids. It's my son and my daughters. I've failed as of yet to be a mom that I really want to be for my kids, and I feel somewhat this is a way I can express to them that I love them. It's silly in part, but maybe if they see something, they know that my mistakes are not towards them, and the love that I have for them is just choices, bad choices that I've made.
All right. And how old are your children?
9 and 12. My parents have adopted them to the state of Texas so they could go to college. Have a good
Well,
stable home.
they adopted them so they could go to college, but you're right, that last part, for them to have a stable home.
Yes.
Do you have
I
any
talked
plans to
them-
have any more children?
No,
Okay.
I'm done. But I've taken parenting and I've done a lot of things while in TDC, and I went to college in TDC and I got an associates in horticulture, and I'm in their lives, and I can't just go in and rearrange everything that my parents have
No.
done. I don't have that right. So I'm grateful that my mom and dad allow me to co-parent with them, and slowly but surely I will re-enter their lives and use my mistakes as an example of things I've made a pathway for them not to experience.
All right.
And then, the heartbreak cuts through the legal jargon. Tanya talks about her kids, adopted by her parents for stability, while she tries to piece her life back together after drugs, bad relationships, and a deadly overdose in the family. It's raw, it's real, and it's messy. What would you do if you were the judge? Show mercy for a mother trying to change? Or draw a hard line after so many chances? Drop your verdict in the comments below.
Anger management. And I'm going to want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Anything else, probation? All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Judge, we're just gonna ask if she chooses to continue her academic career, could some of those hours be used for community service?
Yes. But I will tell you this, if you're continuing with your academic career in this court, you must be doing at least 8 hours
Okay.
per semester.
Your Honor, is there any local parenting classes that you
Sure.
could refer me to?
Yes.
There's always,
All right. I'll add parenting classes.
thank you.
And if she completes when she completes the parenting classes, we can knock off 100 hours of community service restitution.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need from the court?
Thank you very much.
We really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you. We can go off the record. In this court, probation is not easy. That's what the deputies tell me all the time.
But it's doable.
It's-
Very doable.
It's doable. So if there's an issue, discuss it with your probation officer. If you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come to court and we will address it here.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you
You're
for this
welcome.
chance.
All right. You're welcome. 2025 CR 011411 and 2023 CR 8904, State versus Tanya Ortega. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you Miss Tanya Ortega?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're going to start with the motion to revoke. To review motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision and First Amendment motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney. Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Tanya Ortega who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 8904 for the offense of aggravated robbery on December 11, 2023 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 8th day of August 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Tanya S. Ortega committed the offense of theft of materials, aluminum, bronze, copper, brass, less than 20,000 in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
And state, do you waive other violations?
Yes, Your Honor, state waives the remaining violations.
Any objections to the
No
waiver?
objections, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1? Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is to revoke revoke community supervision, enter an adjudication of guilt, sentence 5 years to do, and then run concurrent with the new theft offense.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
And defense, is this the agreement you're asking the court to follow?
Yes, Judge, we are.
Has she done anything on probation?
She has, Your Honor. She was employed working as a welder for, I believe it was not Toyota plant per se, but maybe one of their subsidiaries, Judge. I believe she had many submissions as far as drug tests. However, she did have a few missed, but she was not testing positive. She had recently gotten out of prison, and she also has some pending case in Uvalde County, Judge. She was on GPS monitor for a long time out of her probation for this court. She was making payments towards that. She was also on pretrial at Uvalde County, having to make payments towards that. She got into a position, I think, Judge, where she was financially unstable, leading to the theft charge that's before you now. Ms. Ortega has not tested positive, and I don't believe the theft was drug related, Judge, as far as like trying to make money to pay for drugs. I think it was something where she was trying to have money to pay for rent and so on. And she makes those kind of admissions in the stipulations on the theft case. So this was something, Judge, where we actually considered potentially going open to Your Honor to continue to see if you consider continuing her on probation. But given everything that was going on in her cases, being also on a parole hold, this was something we came to an agreement with the state for. We are asking you to follow it.
All right. So the underlying facts of the case that she's on deferred adjudication for are not great.
Yes, Judge.
And here it is the gavel falls hard. 8 years in prison, concurrent sentences across counties, fines, probation terms, no contact orders. The court clearly weighed her attempts at reform against repeated violations and chose accountability. But was this inevitable, given her history? Or could there have been another way? The stakes here aren't just legal, they're human lives, families, futures hanging in the balance.
So this is what the court is going to do. The court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. The court is going to find you guilty, revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Michelle Young. No residing with minors.
When Your Honor can, I have one more request regarding this case. So she does have parole hold out of Bell County. Respecting the court's sentence, we would ask that if the court would consider running that case concurrent with this case, and I do have the cause number on that.
All right, concurrent with?
Bell County case number FR 81006.
006?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and what the court will say is with regards to that cause number, only receive credit if there was a warrant issued in this case and if she was in custody for the Bell County matter.
Okay, Judge.
All right, next we're moving on to the 2025 CR 011411. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're charged with the offense of theft of material of copper from Home Depot as a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed under 1244 to 41 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $1,000 fine. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 8904. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, states exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No
Are
objection.
you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
As we ask, to follow the plea bargain, Judge.
All right, this is what the court will do. The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 41 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 8904 with a cause number in Bell County FR 81006. There's to be no contact with Home Depot and no contact with Lydia Angel Hernandez. All right, we're going to go off the record. Good luck to you. You're going to have to make better.
So, let's recap. Tanya Ortega once, on deferred adjudication for aggravated robbery, now faces 8 years in prison after violating probation terms and pleading guilty to new theft charges. Multiple counties, multiple cases, one final judgment. It's a reminder that second chances come with responsibility. And the system doesn't wait forever. What do you think was justice served here? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.